Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all in today's class. Today we are discussing chapter 2 linear equation in two variables. मैंने लास्ट वीडियोज में एक्सप्लेन किया था linear equation in two variable. You can see the last videos linear equation in two variable जिसमें मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने बतलाया था. लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स का सारे इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने लास्ट वीडियोज में दे रखा है, तो आप देख सकते हो. आज हम लोग जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल बाय डिफरेंट मेथड्स. लास्ट वीडियोज में मैंने यहाँ पे ग्राफिकल मेथड एक्सप्लेन किया था. ग्राफिकल मेथड, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. तो इसके रिगार्डिंग मैंने यहाँ पे आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन किया था. कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी मैंने यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया था. यू नो दैट एंड देयर आर, इफ यू विल ड्रॉ द लाइन्स of the given equation, linear equation of two variable by graphical method, so then you can observe there are three types of line you can observe. First are intersecting line which shows the solution are unique, and second graph you can see here. तो हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ बेसिकली मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है. आप यहाँ पे उससे रिलेटेड डिफरेंट जो भी क्वेश्चंस है आप यहाँ पे सॉल्व करोगे और उसके बाद ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ कंक्लूजन यू कैन फाइंड. फर्स्ट लाइन्स विल बी इंटरसेक्टिंग. Two lines will be intersect to each other, then the solution will be unique. Means you can find one unique solution. And second graph you can see here, two lines will be parallel to each other, in which you can say there are no intersecting lines. Two lines are parallel to each other, so therefore it has no solution. Means you can't find any solution. You can't find the value of x and y from the given line. Okay. And third are coincident. If you will draw the graph, so then two lines coincident to each other, that's why it has infinite solution. Means many solution. Means there will be many value of x and y. That's why you can say there are infinite number of solution. तो देन ऑलरेडी लास्ट वीडियोज में मैंने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया था. तो वी कैन फाइंड थ्री ऑब्जर्वेशन ओके फ्रॉम द ग्राफ. मीन्स फर्स्ट two lines will intersect to each other, then the solution will be unique, which have one unique solution. Second, two lines are parallel to each other, then we can find means it has no solution. And third graph will be two lines will be coincident to each other, that's why it has infinite many solutions. Now today we will see the different method to find the solution except graphical method. Graphical method is clear. Now we will see substitution method. So substitution method means first of all you will do this exercise by the graphical method. Exercise here 1 is given, you have to complete yourself. If you have any doubt then you can ask. Now you will see the substitution method. What do you mean by substitution method? So from the equation you have to find the value of x. You have to arrange the equation in the form of x to find the value of y. Whatever will be, you can see here. One example is given, example number 9. What problem is given? So first of all you have to find the equation from the given statement. So question is given, there are some rabbits and some birds in a small cave, and the number of heads is 35 and the number of feet is 98. Then find the number of birds and rabbits. So here number of rabbits and number of birds are not given. So then you can take here, let the number of rabbits is x. I am taking a pen. So you can take the number of rabbits be x and number of birds is y. So you know that number of heads of rabbit in one rabbit is 1 and number of heads of bird is also 1. Okay, so that's why. So here according to question what is given, here the number of heads is 35, okay, of rabbits and birds. So therefore number of heads of rabbit plus number of birds, number of head of birds will be equal to 35. Total number is given. So what will be your equation? First equation will be x plus y equal to 35. Similarly, second statement is given, their number of feet is 98. So number of feet of rabbits plus number of feet of birds, total feet is given 98. So then, the number of feet of rabbit, there are 4 feet of rabbits in one. So therefore total number of feet of rabbits will be 4x and number of feet of birds will be 2y. So then 4x plus 2y, total feet is given 98. That why second equation will be 4x plus 2y equal to 98. So similarly you will write this in a standard form. 2 will be common here. So then you can write 2x plus y equal to 98 by 2. Then it will be 2x plus y equal to 49. So then you will find the value of y. So here you can arrange the number in the form of x. So y equal to, it will be 49 minus 2x. Now the value of y you will substitute in equation 1. This is called substitution method. Okay. Means substitution method means from any equation you will find the value of x or y and put this value in another equation. So here from the equation 2 you can see here y equal to 49 minus 2x, okay, and this equation 2 you will put in equation 1. So the value of y is given 49 minus 2x. Now put the value in equation 1, x plus y equal to 35. So then put the value of y. So what will be x plus 49 minus 2x equal to 35. So then from this equation you will find the value of x equal to 14. Okay, so x is clear. What is the value of x? X is the number of rabbits. So now you have to find the number of birds. So then put the value of x in any equation, equation 1 or 2, then you can find. So then what will be the value of y? X equal to 14. Now put the value of x equal to 14 in equation 2. The value of y will be 21. So therefore number of birds equal to 21. Hence you can write here the number of rabbit is 14 and the number of birds is 21. This is your answer. So this is called substitution method. I think substitution method is clear. So now you have to find the value of x or y, okay, and put in the another equation. So this is called substitution method. I hope this method is clear. If you have any problem, then you can ask. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.